In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Airbnb account. To get started, open Airbnb either on the website or in the mobile app and log into your account. Make sure you're signing into the correct account before you begin, since the verification will be attached to that specific profile. Once you're logged in, go to your account section and then select personal info. This is where Airbnb stores the details connected to your profile, including the identity verification area. Look for the section labeled Identity Verification. When you find it, click or tap Verify or Get Verified to begin the process. At this stage, Airbnb will ask you to choose the type of government-issued ID you want to use. In most cases, you'll be able to select from options like a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Choose whichever document is valid, current, and easiest for you to photograph clearly. Using an ID with sharp text and a clean photo can help avoid delays. Next, you'll need to upload clear photos of your ID, or in some cases, use your device's camera to scan it directly. Try to place the document on a flat surface with good lighting and avoid glare, shadows, or blurry images. Make sure all corners of the ID are visible and that the text can be read easily. If Airbnb asks for both the front and back, be sure to provide both sides exactly as requested. If prompted, the next step is to take a live selfie. This is used to confirm that the person submitting the ID matches the document. Hold your device steady, follow the on-screen framing instructions, and make sure your face is well lit. It's best to remove anything that might block key facial features so the system can capture your image properly. After that, review the information you've provided and submit your verification. Take a moment here to double check that the images are correct and that you selected the right ID type, since small mistakes can slow things down. Once everything has been submitted, all that's left is to wait for Airbnb to review your documents. You'll receive a notification once your identity has been verified, or if Airbnb needs any additional information from you. Review times can vary, so if it doesn't happen instantly, that's completely normal, and that's it. That's how to verify your Airbnb account.